Today we're going to create purchase requisition. ME51N. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Okay, we have purchase document. Let's purchase requisition. Okay. And let's create it. Item 10 for F, that is F is consignment, I guess. Order. We'll do it on cost center because our configuration is on cost center. Material is 30,000. 30,000. That is adhesive tapes for November. Quantity 30 units is units plant 8842. Enter GL account 70,000 and cost center CC001, I believe. Okay, enter purchasing group. I guess it's T1, T2, T3. What's it? T31, T26, because we haven't made a purchasing group. Okay. Enter. Let's see what's missing. Okay. Can delivery date be met? Delivery date is 6/9. No. Delivery date will be like 4 days, 5 days, whatever you are. 10th of delivery, 10th of September. Delivery. Okay. Do not assign to account 70,000. It's because our field status group might be different. Save. Requisition 39075 is created. ME21N. This is purchase order, and I want to create a purchase order from PR. Purchase requisition. Purchase requisition number. Okay. Purchasing group is 3. Okay. Purchase org 8842. No data satisfied. Okay. Fine. ME24N. by purchase requisition. 3905. And we have one item, okay? So 3905, let's take that. And let's release it. Purchase requisition cannot be released. Why is that so? Because we need a release strategy, cannot be released. Okay. Okay. Let's take it up at a later time, but I'll check into the release strategy. Let's go for RFQ, request for quotation, create RFQ type, RFQ AN, quotation. You are sending an RFQ request for quotation to vendors that I want 1,000 units or 300 units, whatever, to different vendors. So there is a deadline. You always give a deadline to your vendors that by this time the proposals should be with us by 8th. Okay, you get 2 days. Okay. For example, I'm just giving an example. It's not necessary that you can do this. Material of everything will be there. Okay. Enter purchasing group. ROH 81. Okay. Material 30,000 short text. Aggressive dates. November requirement 5.30. Delivery date. 10. Store location, it will be picked up. If you have multiple stores, then you've got, of course, stock segment. Segment assigned to a stockable item. The valid stock segment is defined in segmentation. Structure and strategy is assigned to material or the material master. Okay. All the segmentation strategy. A collection of business rules that define which stock material should satisfy which demand objects. Segmentation is based on the maximum within stock segment associated material in stock and requirement segment associated with demand object. Segmentation strategies can be assigned to determine the valid stock segments and required procurement segments for the material and to define which required to be covered by which stock segments. So again, it is pointing towards MRP. Segmentation strategy is that. Okay. This is used for engineering and automotive industries. Okay. Now, enter lines, header details. Yes, delivery can be met. Validity start, validity end, warranty for 1 year. You can also type in that 8. Collection number, that can be a reference number. Info version, we have info version as well. Textile, that was for textile, we'll have to configure that. Okay, let's configure this. That happens. Okay, release strategy. Purchasing government not subject to release strategy. Okay, partner. Which partner? No partner scheme entered for purchasing document type. Save. Maintain supplier's address. Okay, supplier address. Vendor 39010. Title company. Addressing complete. PK. Title supplies 8842. Supplier 5370. Save. No message record could be found. No. Let's keep in a message. Details. Messages. Output. Output type RFQ. Medium. By email or fax or EDI. EDI is electronic data interchange or interface where you connect your recipe with third-party interface to API and it connects with the vendor server. Okay, and it sends the EDI to through SMS or email, whatever. Okay, print output. Let's say print output, and this is partner function, partner language, also kilo 0. Save. Enter processing time. Send with periodically. With additions time specification, send immediately. Okay. Maintain print parameters. Logical destination LP01. Print immediately. Full request command. Do not print. Default printer setting, which is LP01. You can choose a form which is made by ABAP. Okay. Save. RFQ created under 605. Okay. Request for quotation. Okay. Release code. Okay, we will actually discuss the release, and it's a whole process. We'll be discussing the purchase order release, and then we'll see PR release as well. But that will be in the next lecture. Okay. Now, quotation. Maintain RFQ. Enter. No currency assigned to supplier. Maintain master record. 39010. Switch between display and change. Okay. Business partner general. FI vendor maintained. Relationship will be company code now. Okay, company code. When is group PK head office? Where is currency? Please maintain purchase order currency for the supply and the purchasing data of the supplier master record. Okay, in the purchasing data. Okay, fine. So we will go for MM vendor maintained. It will go to purchasing, payment terms, order currency. Okay, okay. See, changes have been saved. Enter. Okay, and 37. Okay, overview. Maintain tolerance limits for tolerance key SE. SE. Tolerance limit. This is the tolerance limit for price variance. Table it for to EE SE. Table it for to do not check. Or save. Overview. Only 47. Overview. Okay. RFQ quantity, net price, 133. Okay, 133. Let's see supplier address. Supplier address is taken from RFQ. Okay, yes. Quotation maintained. As simple as that. Okay, RFQ. Okay, other than that, enter lines, delivery schedule. You can change the delivery date, quantity, okay, timestamps, and next delivery address, services, which are service items. Quotation, header, header details. You can change the payment terms in days. Okay. Info location that can be maintained as well. Easy. Yeah. Outline agreements. We have made outline agreements, but say no data was changed. So this is your RFQ made into a quotation. Price comparison. If you have more than two quotations, of course, then you can compare the two. So make sure you make these quotations and we'll compare it in the next lecture. Okay. Source listing, quota arrangement. Easy. Yes. Next will be studying release strategy.